In an age of rapidly advancing technology and rising competition, manufacturers want to boost productivity, improve product quality, and provide greater job satisfaction. Our pioneering work in collaborative robots makes automation accessible to small and large businesses alike. We're market leaders holding more than 65 patents and have won more than 35 awards globally. To raise the bar and give access to automation to more people, Universal Robots presents the E-Series. You can unpack, mount, and program your cobot in less than an hour, which enables you to quickly integrate and deploy solutions. Our cobots do not require special electrical installations and can be connected to any regular power outlet. An intuitive user interface enables easy setup, installation, and integration into your production line. Our cobots are space-saving and easy to redeploy to multiple applications without changing production layouts. They can be moved between tasks quickly and are able to reuse programs for recurrent tasks. Effortlessly create solutions with no prior automation experience with Universal Robots Academy. Your E-Series cobot isn't complete without the right end effectors, accessories, and software. Find everything you need at Universal Robots Plus, our one-stop showroom for products designed to complement our cobots and create the perfect robotic solution to enable you to optimize productivity and quality regardless of your industry, company size, or application. Meet the E-Series family. Each cobot has a different reach and payload, but they share the same dependability that make them a valuable addition to any production facility. Each day, we empower people to future-proof their production lines and transform their businesses to boost productivity and improve product quality. Transform ambitions into results by changing the way things are made with the most flexible automation platform. Shape the future with E-Series.